Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Friends, today we have to face the important event of the credit policy, and the outcome will come around 10 a.m. in the morning. After the event, we need to see that how actually market reacts. The broader consensus is that there is nothing going to change, but the commentary will be important, and based on that, the market will take the direction. If we go through with the broader market of last almost 1.5 month, then the market is correcting from the highs and it is retracing after hitting the overbought levels. So we are of the view that now 17,650, 17,550 should act as major support for the market. And if we go through with the option statistics, then based on that, if we see the option chain and the put writing and call writing, then the traders are shifting from one level to another level. And yesterday the supports have now shifted to the levels of 17,550. So if we see the market is falling to the levels of 17,600 or 550, then there we should look for taking some contra bait in the market with a view to take with a view to ride some pullback rally. We are of the view that 17,500 is certainly going to act as major support for the market, and after hitting those levels we are expecting rebound in the market. So if there is any reversal formation, then certainly we should look for adding some positions, and if there is like a contra view of taking any long bet, then 17,550, 17,570 is the area where we can take contra bet of going long with a stop loss at 17,500. For the bank Nifty, 37,300, 37,200 acted as major support for the market. Yesterday also, when the market was down, it recovered from the levels of 37,300, 350, and all the way it went back to the levels of 37,900, 950. So today again, if we see any drop during the day, then certainly we should look for adding even bank Nifty to our positional portfolio. The reason is because bank stocks are doing well. They are recovering from lower levels. Whenever there is a correction, we are seeing some specific buying in the stocks like State Bank, ICICI Bank. Yesterday they closed at the almost highest point of the day. Axis Bank was also on the higher side. So we are expecting furthermore activity in our financials after the announcement of the credit policy. And apart from that, metal stocks were down, and most of the time we have seen that they follows to the pattern of crude oil. And if we see the pattern of crude oil of last 2 days, then it is correcting from the important support area of 105, 104. Currently it is trading at 100. So we may see furthermore weakness in the crude, and along with that weakness in the metal stocks. But if there is a medium to long term view, then we should be buyer in stocks like Jindal Steel and Power or Tata Steel or Hindalco. But for that we cannot take view to buy with a intraday. Finally, auto stocks, they are exhibiting some mixed trend, but there also we are bullish on Mahindra and Mahindra as well as Bajaj Auto and Tata Motors. So based on their formation, we can take some position. Finally, if we go through with few large cap companies, then Infosys is correcting from the highs of 1900 to almost 1800. Between 1820, 1780, the stock is having very good support. And if there is again short term to medium term view, then before the announcement of the result, we should be buyer around 1800 for Infosys. For Reliance Industries, 2575, 2550 should be the area where we should look for re-entering into the stock with a view to again trade with with the upside target of at least 2750, 2800. Friends, broadly we are of the view that the market is correcting in the short term, and it is going to consolidate between the broader range of 17,500 and 18,000 for next few days. Currently we are at important support areas, and that is the reason we should be buyer in select stocks and on index on reversal formation. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.